Welcome back to Finishing Friday. This is season 4, episode 5, Destroyed Condo. This is all about painting. So this episode we are going to, basically it's just going to be a collection of a couple videos that shows the after effects of painting. It also shows me a little delirious painting and also my lovely assistant Courtney painting as well. So without further ado, you can watch the videos. What are you doing, Courtney?
I'm working on this wall.
What are you doing to the wall?
I'm rubbing it in.
You're rubbing the paint in? Is that what we call rolling nowadays?
Rolling these. We're rolling these. We always roll them every time. Roll them these. Roll the these. Let's keep rolling. All we do. This is all we do. We roll back and see it's rubbed in so good. Let's go. We're dripping. Let's keep on going. Let's do the hopping. Let's get the hopping started. Roll. Ooh. Let's get to roll. Ooh.
This is a story of a man who he's painting. He's painting everything all in the house. He wishes he didn't have to, but to get top dollar, he's busy anyways. This is a story of a man who he's painting. Painting is what he'll do for the rest of his life. It surely seems that way, but this is the worst part. Is cutting in the paint to go. Alright, that's it. So hit the red button again. So this is the 17th of August. Right now, that's a little bit of trash recycle I gotta get out. But I got the trim all painted. The door painted. All cleaned up.
All gauged and all clean. A little more clean, but we have to clean what we
Still gotta clean stuff up to go leave.
Yep, and we clean up places. And I help Daddy.
Courtney needs to help me, yes.
And we probably.
I don't know if the new appliances were in the last video. Yeah, so most of the stuff left now is cleanup.
Yep.
Just to get it
Yep,
done in it.
We're selling everything.
Remove that window there.
Tell them we're selling everything.
This room is actually the only room that's done.
Yep, and we're getting rid of some of the stuff, all the stuff.
Still got that window to fix, so